If you're a content creator working with brands, you've probably realized pretty quickly that creating content is only half the job. The other half is actually managing everything behind the scenes, like keeping track of deliverables, making sure you get paid on time, and not losing conversations across emails, DMs, and spreadsheets. And honestly, that's where so many creators start to fall apart. I'm Sarah, and I've worked with over 300 brands doing UGC and creator partnerships, so I've seen this problem from both sides. When you start scaling, things get messy fast if you don't have a system in place. And when I discovered Follyo, I knew it was a system that would help so many creators. It's a tool that helps you centralize your brand deals, track deliverables, manage invoices, and keep every conversation organized in one place. Also, if you're new here and you get any value from this video, consider subscribing as I share content to help creators turn their content into a real business, from tips to tutorials and so much more. And if you do want to try Follyo for yourself, I've left my affiliate link in the description below at no extra cost to you. Rather, you can get 1 month free on me to test it out to see if it's the right fit for you. So let's get into it. Now, real quick, before I show you the tool, I just want to quickly share something that I really look for when it comes to deciding what products to actually add to my business. Now, obviously the product has to make sense and deliver on its promise, but I'm also big on backing good founders, because when you're spending money on a tool, you're really also investing in the people behind it. Now, Follyo was co-created by Matt and his wife, and what really stood out to me is how down to earth he is and how much he genuinely cares about solving this problem for creators. And funnily enough, when we connected through Zoom, we actually realized that we're both from the same city in Australia called Adelaide, and now we both live in the US. So it was very cool to kind of connect and discover Follyo and have something in common as well. So when you first log into Follyo, it opens straight into your deals dashboard, which is basically your command center for managing brand partnerships. And honestly, this is what immediately stood out to me, because everything is centralized, and instead of jumping between emails, spreadsheets, notes apps, invoices, and your calendar, it's all built into one workflow. Now on the sidebar, you have your main sections like deals, inbox, contacts, deliverables, invoices, earnings, and calendar, which are probably the areas that most creators are constantly trying to manage across 5 different platforms. There's also a brand discovery section currently in beta, which is really interesting because it opens up opportunities to potentially find new partnerships directly inside the platform. You also have things like My Content, Insights, affiliate tracking, brands, archived, and campaigns. So it really feels less like a random creator tool and more like an actual operating system for your creator business. And I think that's the biggest difference here. It's not just helping you create content, it's helping you manage everything that comes after the deal is signed. All right, so let's start with the deal section, because this is really the core of the platform where you'll probably spend most of your time. Creating a new deal is super straightforward. You just click new deal, then you can start filling in everything such as the deal title, the status of the partnership, the segment or niche like beauty, fashion, fitness, tech, whatever fits your content, priority level, whether it's low, medium, high, the deal type, where the lead came from like Fiverr, email, inbounds, referrals, or any other platform, the total value of the deal, deliverables, plus a description and any internal notes that you want to keep track of. And once everything is filled out, you just click create. What I really like is that it turns into a full workspace for brand collaboration instead of just being another spreadsheet entry. So when you open the deal, you can actually upload videos directly for client review. You click view, upload video, and from there you can set the usage rights based on things like duration, scope, and exclusivity, which is honestly really useful because usage rights are one of those things that creators often forget to track until it becomes maybe a bigger problem down the road. You can also upload additional content files like raw footage, behind the scenes clips, any extra edits, or anything else that the brand might need. Then underneath that, there's an attachment section where you can upload things like contracts, creative briefs, brand assets, campaign documents. So everything related to that deal stays in one place instead of buried in emails or Google Drive folders. And one of the coolest parts is that Follyo automatically generates an invoice draft for you inside the deal itself. You can customize the contact, the brand, deliverables, and the pricing. Then you can save it as a draft or send it directly to the brand from inside the platform once you have your payment processor set up inside of Follyo, which you can find that in your settings section. On the right-hand side, you also have all of the original deal information visible at all times, along with the content review access link and pin. That means a brand can open a separate review window, leave comments directly on the content, request any revisions, or approve the work without everything getting lost in email threads. And honestly, this is the kind of system that starts making you feel less like just a creator and more like you're running an actual business operation. Another great thing that Follyo does is it watermarks your content before the brand actually approves it. So until they approve it, it'll always have the watermark. And once they do approve it, then you can actually release it without the watermark just by toggling the download without watermark toggle. Next is the inbox section, and this is another feature that I think saves creators a ton of time when they start managing multiple partnerships at once. You can connect your email account directly to Follyo, which means that your brand communication is no longer completely separate from your workflow. So instead of digging through your inbox trying to remember which conversation belongs to which campaign, you can actually link specific emails directly to a deal. So all you have to do is find the email, click link to deal, select the brand partnership it belongs to, and it gets connected instantly. Next is the brand discovery section, which is currently still in beta, but honestly, I think this could end up being one of the most powerful features inside the platform. Now, the idea behind this is that you can connect your creator portfolio, and then the AI helps match you with the brands that actually fit your content, niche, and style. So instead of spending hours manually searching for companies to pitch, it helps surface brands that make sense for you as a creator. And what's really cool is once you find the brand that you want to work with, you can click search AI for brand contact, and Follyo will actually help you find the right contact information for that company. From there, you could pitch the brand directly from inside the platform as well. And I think this is important because one of the biggest struggles creators have isn't just managing deals, it's consistently finding new ones as well. So having discovery, outreach, deal management, deliverables, and invoicing all connected in one ecosystem makes the workflow feel much more streamlined compared to piecing everything manually together. Next is the My Content section, and this becomes really useful once you connect your social media accounts. So after you link your platforms, Follyo automatically pulls your social media content so you can view your posts directly inside the dashboard. And what's nice is that if a brand deal requires you to publish content on your socials, you can attach that post directly to the campaign. So instead of manually proving that content went live or searching for links later, everything stays connected to the actual deal. I also like this because it gives you a much clearer overview of what content was created for which brand, especially if you're managing multiple partnerships at the same time across different platforms. Now again, it's one of those features that sounds simple, but when you're working with a lot of companies, having everything organized in one place saves a huge amount of time. Under that, you have the insight section, which basically gives you a bird's eye view of your entire creator business. This is where you can quickly see things like your total earnings, pipeline earnings from upcoming deals, active partnerships, and upcoming deliverables. So right away, you can understand where your business is currently at without needing separate spreadsheets or trackers. Then underneath that, you get a visual breakdown and analytics, including pie charts that show the following: your niche or segment breakdown, which categories are bringing in the most money, your deal type breakdown like UGC, affiliate, gifted, or other partnerships, your top performing brands, your top deal sources, and even your most common deliverables. And honestly, this is the kind of information that becomes really valuable over time because it does help you identify patterns in your business. Like maybe there are beauty brands that are your highest paying category, or maybe most of your deals are actually coming from email outreach instead of inbound inquiries. Now, mine isn't fully populated yet because I only started using the platform recently, but you can already see how useful this data can become once everything starts building up over time. Then you have the brand section, which is where you can keep all of your brand information organized in one place. You can store things like the brand name, contact information, and the company website. So whenever you're creating new partnerships, everything is already there and easy to link directly to your deals. You can either add brands manually inside this section, or they'll automatically start building out as you also create your deals through the deals board. And again, this might sound like a small feature, but once you start working with repeat clients or multiple contacts from the same company, having a centralized brand database makes everything much easier to manage long term. Under that, you have the contact section, which puts your brand contact names front and center. So it's pretty similar to the brand section, but this lays it out more focused on the actual people that you're communicating with rather than the companies themselves. So you can quickly view and organize contact information for managers, marketing leads, or whoever you're working with on a campaign. And honestly, while it is similar to the brands tab, I can see the value in having it separated out because sometimes you specifically need to find a person, not the company. Especially if you're juggling multiple campaigns, agencies, or different contacts within the same brand. Having everything laid out this way just makes it easier to stay organized. Next is the Deliverables tab, and this is probably one of the most helpful sections if you're managing multiple brand deals at the same time as well. It gives you a visual overview of where every deliverable currently sits in the pipeline. So you can see whether a piece of content content is in progress, it's submitted for review, it's waiting on revisions, or it's approved. And honestly, this is such a simple but important feature because once you start juggling multiple videos for different brands, it becomes really easy to lose track of what still needs attention. Having everything organized visually like this makes the workflow feel much more manageable, especially when you're balancing deadlines, revisions, approvals, and posting schedules all at once. Then you have the invoices section, which is where you can manage all your payments in one place. You can either use the auto-generated invoice that's created inside each brand deal, or you can create a new invoice directly from this tab. Now, if you create a new one here, you just click Create New, select the brand, and then it will pull everything into a draft invoice for you. From there, you can review the details, save it as a draft, and then when you're ready, you can simply hit send and send it off to the brand. And what I like about this is that it keeps the entire payment process tied to the same system as your deals and deliverables, so you're not chasing invoices across different tools or losing track of what's been paid and what hasn't. Next is the earnings tab, and this is where you can clearly see how much you've earned or has been paid through Follyo. It connects through your payment setup like Stripe and gives you a simple breakdown of your income in one place. So instead of trying to track payments manually or cross-check invoices, you can quickly see your earnings history and understand what's actually come in. It's a straightforward section, but it's useful because it ties everything back to the financial side of your creator business. So you always know what's been paid and what's still pending. Next is the affiliate tab, which lets you sign up to become an affiliate for the platform as well. So if you refer other creators to Follyo, you can actually earn commission for each person that you bring in. Now, right now, their payout is $5 per month per user, which means as long as they stay on the platform, you keep earning from that referral. And it's a simple way for creators to share a tool that they're already using while also getting a small recurring income on the side. Then you have the archive tab, which is basically where you can store older inactive deals. So if you've finished a campaign from a previous year, or you just don't need it cluttering up your main dashboard anymore, you can move it here. It keeps everything accessible if you ever need to reference it again, but it cleans up your active workspace so you're only focusing on current deals and ongoing work. It's a simple feature, but it helps keep your dashboard organized and easy to navigate, especially once you've worked on a lot of brands. And finally, there's the calendar view, and this is really helpful for staying on top of deadlines. So it shows you when content needs to be submitted and when posts are scheduled, so you always have a clear visual timeline of what's coming up. For creators especially, this is useful because you're often juggling multiple deliverables at once, and it's easy to lose track of due dates if everything is only written in emails or notes. So having it laid out in front in a calendar view like this makes it much easier to plan your week, stay ahead of your deadlines, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. And finally, in settings, this is where you connect everything that powers your workflow. You can set up your social media accounts, connect your email, and link your Stripe or payment provider so everything stays synced inside the platform. But one of the most powerful parts here is the My Deal link. This is a shareable link that you can send out to brands so they can reach out to you in a structured way instead of random emails or DMs. When a brand clicks the link, they can land on a form that you as the creator can fully customize. You can control things like the branding and colors, the message that they see, and which platforms or deal types they can select. So it feels like your own branded intake page. The brand fills out their information and submits a collaboration request and automatically appears in your deals board as a new deal. From there, you can review it, decide if it's aligned with your content and rates, and then reach out to continue the conversation. And I think this is really powerful because it does turn inbound opportunities into a structured pipeline from the very beginning instead of messy DMs that are easy to lose or forget. It's also worth mentioning that Follyo is available as a mobile app as well, so you can manage your deals, check updates, and stay on top of your workflow directly from your phone, which makes it a lot easier to keep everything moving even when you're not at your desk. Now again, if you want to try it out for yourself, you can get 1 month free using my affiliate link in the description below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss any future videos from me, especially ones where I break down tools and systems that help creators actually run their content like a real business. Thank you so much for watching, and keep building your dream.